So let's look at constants inside of Dart. And there's two ways that we can do a constant. So I can do const, which is very familiar to a lot of languages. And I can say something like const name equals Bob. Notice that I did not need to specify var, and I did not need to specify string, that I was making this a string. The const says, hey, this is a constant. I know it's being something that's declared, and I'm not going to change it, as that's pretty typical amongst all of our languages. So here's a constant name equals Bob, and I don't give it a data type. I can just as easily say const string nickname equals Bobby. Notice that that is also valid. So here I gave it the string data type. Here I gave it a name, in this case nickname for my constant, and I specified Bobby. Now, if I were coming here and try to change name equal to Fred, you're going to notice that it gives me an error. That's because I cannot change a constant value. However, there is another way of specifying constant. That is, I can use the keyword final. So I'm going to see final first name, and I'll pick Sally. And notice that just as the same with working with const, I did not have to specify var. I did not have to specify it as a string. Dart is able to intuitively, or through inference, determine that this is a new variable, it's a type string, and I'm going to assign it that value. I can come in here and say final int age, so now I'm defining a data type. I can specify 42, and notice that it accepts it. The only thing we get are warnings because the data type has not been used yet. So pretty straightforward as far as how that goes, things that we're real familiar with. Two different ways. Once again, just Dart try to make it a little bit easier depending upon what language you came from. So instead of having to learn a new language entirely, it's designed to work with it. You do see final a little bit more often in some of the online examples I've seen, but const works basically equivalently.